Alert. Alert. The signal is highly irregular, fluctuating in frequency. It's unlike any known human transmission. There's a high probability it could be extraterrestrial in origin.
Okay, so that means we're in verge of contacting an alien. Okay, let's not waste any time, Mando, and let's check further where this signal is coming from. You do one thing, download all the data we have right now into your database so we can track it down. Hurry up, Mando.
The signal is coming from a location 3 kilometers northwest of our current position, near the base of the Rolong Dara. I suggest proceeding with caution.
Yes. Let's go. Okay, Mando, let's see if we can lock into the signal and find out where it's coming from. Mando.
Narration mode activated. Health status 100%.
Mando, man. No. This must be the source, but what is it? Can you enhance the signal?
Enhancing signal. Incoming call. Declined. Energy down. Location detected. Updating database. Location updated.
Mando, the signal we are tracking, do you really think it could be from aliens?
The probability isn't negligible. The signal structure is highly irregular, not consistent with any known natural phenomena or human-made transmissions. It's possible we're dealing with an intelligent source.
Oh, that's wild. I've always thought about what it would be like to encounter aliens. But now, what we are actually in the middle of it is so real. So what do you think they are like, if they do exist?
Speculating on the nature of extraterrestrial life forms is complex. They could range from microbial organisms to highly advanced civilizations. Given the diversity of life on Earth, the possibilities are vast. They might possess technology far beyond our current understanding.
Yeah, I guess it's impossible to know what their motives might be. Maybe they are just curious like we are, or maybe they are looking for something, resource, knowledge, even friendship.
If they are technologically advanced enough to send a signal across vast distances, it's likely they would have already studied us and our capabilities. Whether they perceive us as a threat would depend on their intentions and ethical frameworks, which we can't predict.
It's crazy to think that while we have been trying to reach out to the stars, someone or something might have been trying to reach us all along. What would we say to them if we would communicate?
Curiosity is a fundamental trait of intelligent beings. It's plausible they could be seeking to understand more about the universe, just as we do. Alternatively, they might be in search of specific resources or conditions that Earth provides. Unstable signals detected across the globe.
Hey, peace is key. Imagine if we would learn from them new technologies, new ways of thinking. It could change everything. But at the same time, I can help you wonder what if they don't see things the same way?
A message of peace and mutual understanding would likely be the most prudent approach. Establishing communication protocols that are non-threatening and based on scientific and cultural exchange could open the door to a beneficial relationship.
It's also mind blowing. We are standing on the edge of something huge, and if we don't even fully understand it yet, whatever happens, I'm glad we are in this together, Mando.
The journey into the unknown is always more manageable with a trusted companion. Together, we will explore the possibilities, learn from the experience, and adapt to whatever may come. Portal signal detected.
Okay, here's to the adventure ahead. Whatever, whoever, bring it on.
Energy fluctuation. Approaching portal zone.
Oh, scratch. Yeah. Ooh. Hey. Mando. Ay. Steady to my voice. Some recording. Balance. Oh. Yeah. Yes. 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 Hello, uncle. Hey, Mando, start recording. Waterfall.
Identity, Chicken Snopp. Home planet, Jupiter.